Ano ka no?
Costume, anak ka naman.
Oh, I got costume for you! I got you golden bangles! Look at that!
Mori, in Tita Tel's film, you are gonna be the sun.
Exactly, Tita Tel is the moon. Look at that golden shield, oh.
Mori, you're gonna be the sun.
Sabi,
Okay.
That's right.
Sabi ni Mar, gusto niya daw totoong gold.
Kasi kayo mag-ikman, mo explain kay anak yan.
I need more time with her. I will teach her about the real beauty.
Mori.
Yes, that's right.
Ano, ulit niya sasabihan.
Nano ka no?
What?
Nano ka no?
Yeah, we only have a lot of pillows.
We only have a lot of pillows.
Uy, tsukata king airplane lang. Eh, punga halima lang.